What's going on, everybody? SRT8 Boost, kicking it live in the Challenger again. It's great. It's like nice sunny day. Seems to be a brother on his way up the road here. Is it? Is it? Is it? It is. Oh, it's a double riding brother. It's a nice bike. Looks like a fat boy. I may be wrong. Oh my god, look at this fucking speed bump. Oh, this is gonna be a pipe scraper for sure. Is it? Is it? No, it wasn't. Wow. That's alright. Anyway, how you guys doing? Hope everything's good for you. I'm trying to take advantage of the nice weather to record for everybody here. And while enjoying the vehicle, my Challenger as well, obviously. We are in the little town of Kettleby. I've came through here quite a bit on video as well. It's just really nice to drive through. Oh my god, look at that fucking sewer. Oh, better take it easy on there, because that's how you get a flat tire. Especially with low pros on. You know what, I gotta say, that's actually pretty considerate. They didn't just leave sharp edges on it. I don't know if you guys can make that out or not. It's like they put a ring around it, and yeah, it's like sloped nicely, so this way, you know, if I do gotta drive over it, in which I did, it's not like, you know, gonna blow your sidewall off, right off your rim, or, you know, something like that, right? So, thanks, whoever did that. Fucking do that more often. Oh my god, it's one of those weird Cybertruck things. I didn't even know there was a park there. Anybody coming on the other side? Negative. Looks like a no exit. That seems like good for a Ducati video. Love going down those roads where it's like no exit, but all of a sudden there's like little side roads that kind of take you on and on and on, and then you finally find the no exit, but it was totally worth going through. Yeah, it's one of those. Oh, no speed bumps. That's great. Bars are still good. I don't even know why I put that signal on. It doesn't work. Got a wiring issue with that. Oh, that's a chopper, brother. Oh, hay for sale. Perfect. Brings them home. Damn it, why do I always get stuck behind a fucking group of dicks? Slow, 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 slow. A real estate agent on the picture there, it looked like the blonde girl from American Pie. I don't know what the fuck her name is, but yeah, looked almost identical. That was weird. Ah, see? Look, another no exit. See, that'd be fun. That'd be fun. Oh man, that's a fucking house over there. Wow. Holy shit. It's insane. Fucking thing was huge. Looked like a house here, and then it had two more additions built on both sides that kind of protruded out the front another 40 feet. I'd probably fit my fucking house in the front living room there. It's badass. You know what's not badass? is how slow we're going. That is not badass at all. And not enjoyable either. This guy's like, oh, we totally gotta do the speed limit. Totally. Highway 9 and or Davis Drive. Should be able to hang one on here. If I got fucking boost or not, I have no idea. You know what? I'm gonna turn the AC off, see what happens. Alright. No sharkies. Nope, not going in the dirt. Have to reset. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, shut it off. There we go. And now we're gonna do this. Because you kind of just know what to do, right? Yeah. See, that's how I know it's a throttle issue, man. Too fucking weird. Shouldn't be doing that shit, you know? Nice. No, we gotta try and merge back into this fucking bullshit. Typical. So much for ripping it. And so, see what happens when I let off the gas? And it was like, things started just like doing its own thing, and it was like bah, 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 kind of thing, you know? Very odd. And that tells me that, so again, like my last couple of videos there, I was talking about when we switched the, what the hell they called? Coil packs. Sorry, I'm looking behind me here. Now I have a whole bunch of fucking traffic behind me too. That's great. Super. Anyway, so the coil packs, right, because it was sputtering. But now it just felt like the throttle body wanted to kind of, it was just doing its own thing. It's almost like it was just like da 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 da. And my foot was off the gas pedal too. That's the best part. So that, my fuzzy little friends, is really weird. Poltergeist. So again, that's why I'm making videos. So, you know, before something stupid happens with the car and I can't drive it for the rest of the summer. Because, again, I can't stress this word enough. I always say it. Typical, right? Anyway, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for the goofiness, but, you know, it is what it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. All right, take care, brush your hair.